Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard and soft liquid at home. First, let's understand the difference. Hard water contains dissolved mineral ions, primarily calcium and magnesium, often measured in grains per gallon. Soft water, on the other hand, has very low levels of these minerals. We'll show you simple, easy methods to prepare both types of water using common household items, allowing you to observe their unique properties firsthand. To create hard water, you will need 1 liter of distilled water and 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfate. Simply add the Epsom salt to the distilled water. Stir the mixture well for about 30 seconds to ensure the salt fully dissolves. This simple addition of magnesium ions will transform your distilled water into a hard water solution, perfect for observing its distinct characteristics in various applications. Making soft water is also quite straightforward. One easy method is to boil 1 liter of tap water for about 15 minutes. This helps precipitate some hardness minerals. Another excellent option is to simply use distilled water, which is inherently soft due to the removal of minerals during its production. You could also use a standard water filter pitcher, which reduces mineral content, providing a softer water for your needs. Now that you have both hard and soft water, you can easily test them. Notice how soap lathers much more readily in soft water, producing abundant suds. In contrast, hard water will create significantly less lather and more visible soap scum. Understanding these differences is crucial, as soft water is generally preferred for cleaning, laundry, and can extend the life of your household appliances by preventing mineral buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.